thoughts. You just have to stop letting them control you. How beautifully Dan Millian said these words, isn't it? Respected teachers, respected judges, and my dear friends. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Mohammad Moiz Farooq, standing here as a student of class 10th from Raza Ulum Islamia Higher Secondary School. Today, I am here to speak about mental health. Break the silence before it breaks you. It is not a topic to speak. It is the need. It is the need for children, it is the need for teenagers, it is the need for youth, and it is the need for old age. Before starting, I just want to ask you a question that when was the last time you truly checked someone not with a how are you, but with hug, with patience, with time? Anyone? Guys, we live in a world that is louder on social media than in real life. People smile in selfies but cry under the blankets. I am not telling you thesis or philosophy. These are the real life truths that we all should know. Mental health is not a weakness. It is not a trend. It is just like a health, as your physical health. But when it breaks, it does everything else. Even you can't imagine what you will be doing. What teenagers do? Oh, teenagers, yeah? The most advanced and trending word, teenagers. What do people say? Oh, teenagers are the foundation of nation. Teenagers will be the backbone of family. But what teenagers are doing? What we are doing? What we are suffering? We are silently drowning. Yes, this is the reality. We are silently drowning. Society wants us to be perfect. Parents want us to top exam. Friends want us to be cool. But what do we say? I am fine. But are we? I ask you, are we fine? No, not at all. We are not fine. I am personally not fine. Why we are not fine? Because our mental health is not that much developed. How we will develop? Just by keeping patience in our mind. Guys, we scroll endlessly, laugh online, and we sleep with mobiles in our hands. But is there still peace in your mind? Is there still peace in your mind? No. Whatever do, you go to picnic, you scroll endlessly on mobile, but there is no peace in your mind. Why? Because you are not adopting the peace. That is the main problem. What should we do? Yes, anybody can answer. What should we do to improve our mental health? We should always try to be calm. We should always try to be friendly, and that will improve our mental health. I just wanted to tell you one more truth. Some people destroy their mental health in just about legendary ways. Like, suppose I have an exam tomorrow. Great, let's revise. But what we do? Okay, sure. But let's first watch a documentary on how penguins propose each other using pebbles. Yes, this will do. And suddenly it's 2 a.m. and we are crying over a penguin breakup. Exam gone, sleep gone, sanity never existed. And some people think that ignoring feeling is a cool thing, like, bro, you are looking depressed. Yes, then we should go for pani puri or momo, that will cure everything. No, that doesn't. Jokes help us to cope, but not to eat. We have to maintain our mental health. We have to try to be calm. So let's take an oath in our hearts, everybody. We will break the silence before it breaks us. We will not wait for the pain to become unbearable. Mental health is not a destination, it is a journey. Walk it with someone, not alone. Before going, I want to ask you a question, and I wish you all should think. What your mind could speak if your mind could speak, sorry. What your mind will speak. Please listen to me or thank you. You should think this answer in your mind. Thanks a lot for giving me